start walking closer a little bit when you can do it. Good morning, this is D's-Art Trees Incorporated. I'm glad you came to the website. I just wanted to show you how we finish up palm trees and our boom truck and the guys that work for me. This is what we come out with every time. We have gloves for safety, we have helmets for safety, and today it was kind of raining a little bit, so we all have rain jackets on. And I just want you guys to give us a call, 951-325-2010, and we'd like to give you a free estimate. Thank you. And you got them in too? Pan down and get them too. All right, God bless.